So this is week 7 of our I Valentine Quilt-as-you-go Chronicles.
Can't believe it's going so fast.
I know, right? It's very exciting. So Mum has a surprise for me and everyone today.
That's right. I put together a slideshow of some of the participants' work that they've been doing.
Yay.
And I'm really excited to show Laura because she hasn't seen them. I run the Facebook group and answer all the emails while she's very busy doing all the pattern sheets and the designing. So let's have a look and see.
Okay. So this is from Janice. Oh, wow. Look at the dark swans. I love a black swan.
That's beautiful.
That's so elegant with the blues in there and the roses.
Wow.
So this is from Georgina. Whoa. It's amazing how different everything can look with different colour backgrounds and different fabrics.
It sure is. Same looks so different. Wow.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
So this is from Dale. And Dale's done about 5 courses with us.
She has.
And she hates the stars, so I'm excited to see what she's done instead of stars. Oh, she's put hearts in the place of the stars. It looks so nice.
It does.
I love the textured blue background.
Yes.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Oh, wow, with like the purpley details.
Wow.
It's so feminine and balanced.
It is.
I really like that. And I love the beaks in the different colour. So we've got this one from Janet.
Wow.
I'm excited to see. I love how everyone's adding details of like eyes and beaks and changing things up.
Yeah.
Oh, blanket stitching with the stitched in details. That's lovely. That looks so good.
It does.
It looks a bit more sort of puffed up when it's got blanket stitch.
And lovely eyes.
Yeah.
Sometimes I make my birds blind. I don't give them eyes.
Well, I didn't give them eyes because sometimes people say my eyes look a bit angry. So I thought I'll leave it up to everyone else. But these are beautiful eyes.
Really gorgeous.
So now we've got one here.
Oh, this is from Marique.
Here we go. I love seeing everyone's centre blocks and their sort of take on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. I love the little extra stitching details on the stars. It's so clever.
It is.
Wow. Here we go. So from Wendy. Oh,
wow.
I love the pink in it. It really just changes the whole look and effect and makes it so much more feminine and dreamy.
It sure does. Wow.
So from Fiona.
Oh, so pretty.
Oh, wow. I love the back picture as well, so you can really see the depth with the sketchy applique.
Yeah.
It's so exciting that everyone's doing sketchy applique.
Well, not everybody, you know.
Well, not everyone,
yeah. I'm surprised the amount of people that took on sketchy applique because, you know, it is more of a trickier technique. But some of the comments are like, wow, this is great. You know, I'm going to keep doing this. Like, look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that fantastic?
It's almost like a ornate art on the back of the quilt as well.
It sure is.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, how pretty.
That's so lovely. I love this pink. It's so soft. It's not as pastel as ours, and it really just adds a bit more depth. I love it.
Yeah. All from Lynn.
So what do we got from Lynn? I'm excited to see this one because it's got a bit of a darker blue background.
It has, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Lynn's done sketchy. Gorgeous.
Wow. Oh,
Very
I love the
rich.
lime. Yeah, the lime green with the aqua is so rich.
From Terry.
This is exciting. We've got another dark background. I love all the different backgrounds.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks like a medieval tapestry.
It does.
Like with the colours. It's so ornate.
Yeah. Oh, wow. From Kim.
So we've got a different colour background here. A bit of a grey one. This is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I love the orangey red colour that's been used. I feel like it just balances so well with the grey. It makes that white really pop.
It really does, yeah. And Margaret.
So I'm excited to see what Margaret's done because she is always doing something different and cool.
Wow.
Wow. It's like a gradient.
Well, Margaret's used 4 different fabrics because Margaret's using her stash.
Wow. Look at the eyes. They look so realistic.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Margaret is a very good drawer, so that's good. Well done.
Margaret's doing sketchy too.
I love the blue around it. It's so ornate. And we've got one from Trifina. Yay. And another dark background, which is exciting.
Trifina told us that she got a new machine and she's actually making two.
Wow.
Isn't that
I love the
gorgeous?
eye details as well.
Yeah.
With the blues and that magenta-y pink.
Yeah,
That's so
beautiful.
cool. Oh, Joe.
Yeah, you're going to love this one.
Yeah,
know
I
you're
can
gonna
already
love this
tell
one.
with the cross. It's like my
Yeah.
vision that I wanted to bring to life as this like ornate sort of medieval feel.
Yeah.
Oh, using Inktense pencils?
Yeah.
Wow. I love
Yeah.
how Joe swapped out the star at the bottom here for this beautiful flower and how the leaves look like they're moving.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at the butterflies.
Wow.
Wow.
Like we say, we're always happy for people to add their own personal touches.
Yes, I love it
Yeah.
when people add their own personal. Wow, look at the hearts. That's so cool.
And the birds have got
Oh,
feet.
they got feet and they've been Inktense, so it looks real.
Wow.
Well done.
This is from Hildy. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at the star detailing. That's so clever.
It is.
Those, I like the leaf veins too, how they're like in three, because you usually do a long line in yours, but that's really cool.
Yeah. And from Candy.
So we've got candy. Now this looks like an interesting background.
It's very interesting. Very different.
Oh my gosh, it looks like wood grain. It looks like someone has etched that onto wood and painted it. Oh, look at the grey swans with the black beak. Wow, and you can see the blanket stitching detail. Blanket stitch is so stunning as well.
It is, yeah.
It's just
definitely
so nice. So much more
yeah.
work. Well done, Candy.
Yeah.
And last but not least,
Oh, Marcia.
oh, Marcy is one of our Facebook group admins, so I'm always excited to see what she's done. She's an avid textile artist.
Wow.
Whoa, that's so rich. That looks
is.
royal.
It is.
Wow. Oh, I love the colours and like got a bit of batiks in there with also a bit of like a check sort of diamond pattern on
Yeah.
the swans and the birds.
Wow.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Oh my goodness, thank you, Mum. And thank you everyone for submitting your photos. It was really exciting. I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, it's a bit of inspiration. Some people have been doing courses with us for, 5 courses or something,
Yeah.
like Dale and Margaret. And other people, this is their first course, and some people, this is their first applique quilt ever. So we're really proud of what everybody's done. And doesn't it make you feel good?
Yeah, I do. I feel really,
yeah.
wow.
Yeah, it does. It just makes you feel really nice just knowing that, people are making some beautiful things and we're connecting from all over the world. Like, people are from all over the world making this quilt with us.
I just love to see how everyone adds their own take and personality to the design, and it all looks so different from how I've done it.
Yeah.
And I think that's what makes it really special, is that you can just take it, you can keep it the same, you can add your own stitching.
That's right.
You can go crazy and add all different details.
That's right.
And it just works.
So I'm excited for next week. We have the borders. Very exciting. And then it's the corners, the small corner squares, trimming and joining it together in week 10. So we're getting close.
It's gotten so fast.
It has. It really has. Yeah.
And so with our latest block, it's 2 birds.
It is.
And
yeah.
so when we were designing it, we thought we'd have the heart facing outwards, like a true medallion,
That's right.
like a true medallion style quilt.
Yeah.
And then so I went away to fix the pattern sheets, came back, and then we realised we still appliqued the heart the right way up.
That's right. So if you want to, you can turn it upside down. And I think you're going to need a bit of a smaller heart. So you can grab one of the hearts from block 2. I think that one would fit in there perfectly. And just turn it upside down.
Yeah, but I'm excited to see what you do. Like, just do whatever you like. It's really fun.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, that's
Anyway.
right. Yep. Well, that was a fun video. So we're going to head off now and start working on the borders. Yeah. So thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.